Hello everyone, welcome to Mom Can Do Anything. In today's video, I'll be sharing two super easy and super amazing DIYs with an old kurti. For the first one, cut a square of size 13 inches by 13 inches from the front and back side of the kurti. Next, from the sleeves, cut 2.5 inches by 13 inches two rectangles. After opening, it will be 5 by 13 inch, and take another 5 by 13 inch rectangle. Now repeat the same process on some waste bag, or you can use any covers, any food covers that is left over. I am using two rice bags. So after doing this, you'll have all these pieces, two pieces of each of the fabric. Now you need one lining material. You can take any material that you have at home. I am using an old kurti, and I'll trace all the patterns on this material as well. Now place the fabric in this order. First keep denim, then over that keep your plastic cover or whichever cover you're using, and on top of that keep your lining material and stitch on all four corners. Repeat this for all the pieces that you have. You have two square pieces and three rectangle pieces. Repeat it for all of them. Now join it as shown. Keep it alternate, one square, one rectangle, another square, another rectangle. Join them. After that, join the ends of both the pieces. It will look like this. Now take the last piece and pin it in place. This is the bottom of your bag. Now stitch all four corners. After that, flip the bag inside out. This is how it looks. If you want, you can leave it like this, just attach the handle and it will be an open handbag, but I want to close it, so I'll be using attaching a zip to it. So let's do that. Before that, let me cut two pieces for making the handle of the bag. Here it is. I'll be taking two straps of size 15 inches long and width as much as you want, and fold it and make it thick enough. After that, take a zip and attach two pieces on both sides of the zip. This will be the top portion. Now again flip the bag inside out. First pin the handle in place on both the front side and the back side. Then place your zip. Keep the zip partially open so that you can flip it inside out. Now place this last piece on top of the bag and pin it together and stitch on all four corners. And using this opening, flip the bag inside out. So this is how it looks. This is the final product. You can use this as a tiffin bag, or you can use it for carrying any books, or while going for shopping you can take it for buying your groceries. And you can also use your old jeans. If you don't have a denim kurti, you can use an old jeans or any other top or a clothing item that you're not using that has a good print. You can use that and make it. And this is the remaining fabric after making the pant, and I'll be making something out of this too. That'll be in the part 2 of this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Stay connected. Bye bye.